Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and studying well at your homes. So, in the previous session, we have completed our chapter. You have seen that, and you have done your assignment. So, today we'll do our exercise. And, students, it is my humble request to everyone, those who do or those who don't do, please don't do extra work. Okay, how much work is given, that much only you have to do, and don't create it burden. That's why I give you the small pieces of works, that's so that you can do it, है ना, because you get the homework from other subject also, so that it should not create any burden upon you. That's why I give a small piece of work to you. So it's my humble request to everyone, don't do extra piece of work. Clear, everyone? Okay, now let's go. We'll get into our exercise. Take the correct answer. Which game would the child not play? Now here the question is that which game the child do not play? He will not play. What will be the answer? Tug of the war. Take on this tug of war. What do players do on a rug? What do players do on the rug? Giggle, play tug of war, hug everyone. What will the answer? It will be giggle. Who wins the game of hug of war? Those who cuddle, those who tug, everyone who plays the game. So who wins the game of hug of war? Everyone who plays the game. Those who ever play the game, they win the hug of war. Circle the correct answer. The child would not play hug or tug of war. So what will the answer? Tug of war. Take on tug of war. The child would play hug, tug of war. So what will the answer? It will be hug. In this game, everyone tugs, kisses. So what will be the answer? It will be kisses. And everyone loses, win. What will be the answer? Wins. Clear, everyone? Take the correct answer. Okay, now we'll move to the question answers part. So now we'll do the question answers part. These question answers I have created by myself from the book, inside the book, because we don't have any question answers na in that chapter. Only one question answer is there, so you will prepare these answers also. Okay, do it in your English copy. Answer these following questions. Which game did the children wants to play? Now here the poet is asking which game did the children wants to play? The children wants to play hug o war. The children wants to play hug o war. Now what are the games that you play every day? Now here you have to write your own games which you play every day. 1, 2, 3. How many games you play? You will write here their names. Clear? You will do this question by yourself. Here you will write the games which you play by your own self. Okay. Who is the poetess of poem? Now who is the poetess of poems? Shel Silverstein. Okay. Who is the poetess? Shel Silverstein. This will be the answer. Now the next one is think and answer. How is hug of war different from other game? Now how is hug of war different from other game? Hug of war is different from other games because it involves everyone to spend more time giggling and kissing, grinning and cuddling. Okay, now here everyone is involved. When everyone are involved in giggling, in laughing, kissing each other due of the love. Yes, then when the game is over, there is no winner or loser. Instead, everyone wins. Now here the poet is telling that here everyone wins. Nobody loses the game. That is the main point of the game. Yes, that is the main motto of the game of hug of war. Yes, because in that everyone wins. But in tug of war, only one team wins. I have taught you that. Clear? Okay, this would be your answer. Now come to the book again. Here, choose the balloon which is odd one out. Now we have to take odd one out. Hat, cat, pot, mat. Now what is odd one out? It would be pot. because these all rhyme. Hat, cat, mat, but pot doesn't rhyme. Next, pin, pan, tin, bin. So what will be the answer? Pan. Hop, mop, top, map. What will be the answer? Map. Mark it. Now move to the next page. Okay, here fill in the blanks with these words. Now these words are given, we have to fill in the blanks. The king sat on the throne, the dash sat beside him. What will be the answer? Queen. Right here, queen. The cow was on the field, the bull was not near her. What will be the answer? Bull. Right here, bull. In the film, the actor and actress were very good. Right here, actor. A peacock has blue and green feathers, but a dash does not. Who don't have the blue and green feathers? Peahen. Right here, peahen. Now, come to the next page. Look at the pictures in the story. Write the correct form of these words. Now, there jumble words are given. We have to unjumble these words. So, one hot summer day, the dash was shining brightly. What was shining? Which image is this? Of sun. So, right here, sun. A dash felt very thirsty. Who felt very thirsty? Who is she? Who is he? Crow. Right here, crow. He saw a hut. What did he saw? A hut. He found a jug of water beside it. So right here, jug. He put small pieces of, what is this? In it to drink water. Rocks. Right here, rocks. Okay, in this way your exercise gets completed. I hope everyone understood it. If you face any difficulty, feel free to ask me in the group. Clear? Okay, now you should do this in your book and the question answers in copy. And up till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.